All right, so to find the median of the data set, remember you had to first put them in order. So I already did that for you. So I went through and it's like I said, there was 2, then 3, then 4, 4, and so on. And then you just do the middle. So count into the middle and you just do all your crossing off things. So 8's the middle. So your median of this data set is 8. And so today we're going to create box and whisker plots. So let's review. The median is the element that is the center of the data value. So median splits the data into 2 halves. So half the data is 50% above and half of it's 50% below of it. We can also split the data into 4 quarters, which would be 25% of each group. So we do that using quartiles. So we're going to have the medians of the upper half and the lower half. So if this was the data, 2, 4, 5, right here's the middle of your data value set, then you would take the median of the middle and the median of the upper values there. And then you would have whatever, and then you would put your numbers on your box down here. So we'll talk about that. Your interquartile range, so that's this right here, Q1 to Q3, you would just subtract these 2 numbers, and the difference between the quartiles is called your IQR, the interquartile range. A box and whisker plot is a visual representation of data that displays how spread out the data is between the max and the mins. You have your lowest value is going to go on the min, your highest value goes on the max. We call these the whiskers going to it. This is the median of your lower data, and this is your median of the upper data. So this is median. So lower quartile means the median of your lower half, and upper quartile is the median of your top half of your data. And so when we have this right here, we need to label down all the stuff that we have. So when we do these, we're going to have to label our min, our max. So those 2 are easy, the lowest and highest numbers. Your min is 16, and your max is going to be 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I always make sure I have 10 there and then 10 here. So my middle should be right here at the 19.5. So since there's no actual middle number in the middle, so if I like counted down, I get to where 19 and 20 were both middle. So what you do in this case, to find the middle, you add the 2 and you divide by 2. So that's why I said 19.5. So my median is the 19.5. And then I'm going to cut the data exactly in half. So right here, so I find the median of the lower half. So the middle of this one is 18, and then the middle of this one is 22. So we call this Q1 is 18, and Q3, that's a quartile up here, that median is 22. And then we just draw our box like this. So I'm going to put my lower number at 16. So you'd actually need like a number line and stuff if you're going to do this. Let's see. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So here's 55. So right here is my other number, the 55. So there's my whiskers. The median would be right here. And then the quartile 1 is like right here. So I have a box like this. And this one goes up to 22 right here. So here is our box. Like that. So it's going to look like this right there for your numbers. So this one we need to write in order. I haven't done it yet for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 data values this time, okay? So I wrote them out on a different sheet. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy them down. But what I do, you guys, is I do like 11, cross it off. I do, there's a 12, cross it off. 115, oh, we had to do 14 first. There's a 14, and then 115, 2 15s. Then you do your 16, you do an 18, 2 19s, and a 20. All right, so then I need to write down my minimum is 11, and my max is 20. So I just looked at my lowest number, my highest number. So then I need my median. That's the middle. So you count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 is our middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So median is 15. So now this is an odd set. So what you do on odd sets is you throw out the middle number. You don't include it in either set. So now we find the middle of the bottom half, and we're going to find the middle of the top half. So Q1 would be 12, and Q3 is 19. And then you would just draw your nice little number line here. See? All right, so my max is at 20, my min is at 11, the median is right here, lower quartile, and then upper quartile goes out here to 19, and then your whiskers. That's what your box looks like. So I'm just plotting all these. So min, max, this right here was my Q1, this is my median, this is Q3, and that's your max when we draw them.